friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can enable colorful themes in PowerPoint. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the PowerPoint sheet and here you will see file options. Just click on it and then tap on more options. And here you will see the options, so just click on it and then you will see the options of office theme, so just click on it and here you will see colorful options, so just click on it. So after that, click on OK. So you can see colorful theme is enabled. So guys, in this way you can enable colorful theme in PowerPoint. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.